Features of Best Small Mold Processing Machine V500. NGHÄNT high-quality T-shaped machine base and Y-shaped column. Working table and saddle are engineered with reinforced thickness. Sturdy box-type headstock mechanism is perfectly designed in accordance with optimum high-rigidity principles. XY linear slide ways and Z in box way, which are indispensable for high rigidity and precision machining. Fully enclosed metal guard with ergonomic and stability factors are fully explored. 0 to 75-degree rotating operation box, light efficient attire, manual racket, keyboard frame, air blasting device, water jet joint, oil-water separation, centralized daily maintenance points. All of these give the operators innovative operating conveniences. Specialized mold processing controls from Japan, Fanuc, Mitsubishi, and from Europe, Siemens and Heidenhain, are available for choosing. Colorful display data hard disk, Ethernet transmission with high speed and accuracy. Nirbus is standard accessory without any further cost for extras. Standard 10,000 RPM, 12,000 RPM spindle speed, or 18,000 RPM, 20,000 and 24,000 RPM built-in high-speed spindle are ready for different requirements. Servo motor generates 1.4 times higher torque. Rapid traverse on X and Y 30 meters. Z-axis 24 meters with 0.6 G acceleration speed. Pre-tension double nut ball screws are with small pitch for enhanced servo resolution accuracy. Z-axis is designed with guide ways to reduce machining shock greatly. V500 is strictly manufactured for high speed and high precision processing quality.